Hello again, friends, and welcome to another Amazon product review. So I've been seeing a lot of these things out there, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to get. So this is a ear wax removal with camera. So this is a Qimic brand, Qimic, I believe. So basically, it's got a little camera on the end of this thing, and you can hook it up to your phone and like help you get the earwax out better. Uh, I think I went to the doctor before and they said I had like a lot of earwax. No, wait. I think I had a hearing test done or something like that, and they said I shouldn't be able to hear very well at all because I had like an earwax buildup. So sometimes if you like using Q-tips in your ears and you kind of pushing in instead of like, it's just more of a rounded thing. So if something's in your ear and the wax is there, unless it like dries or something, you with a Q-tip you can kind of almost just kind of press it into your ear without like actually getting it out, if that makes sense. So I think that's what I was doing. Anyways, pretty stoked to try this thing out here. Let's open the box and see. This one picked up off Amazon. It runs about 33 bucks, and they currently have a $15 off coupon on there, so that's pretty cool. All right, so check that out. That's a pretty, sorry, not a cool. I just read the app here for you. Just scan the what is that? Whatever code on there, and probably get the app for your phone, and so you can activate the camera. And we're gonna do all that. So it's a cool little box here. Nice metal. I think it's metal box there. Like so. Figure out how to open this now. I don't know if it's got any hinges or it just kind of comes open. Ah, there we go. Pops open. And there is that. So it's got our instructions on there, guys. And there is the whole package right there. That's featuring a little USB, what is that? USB A to USB C charger. So we're going to get this thing charged up. It comes with, looks like a couple of Q-tips in there. And then your various, looks like it's got four little silicone tipped, look like little spatulas almost, guys, if you can see those. So that's cool. And here is the deal. So I guess it's got a little tiny camera in there. I wonder how to replace these. Probably just screws on there. So yes, that is correct. These things just fasten on there with a screw, or you just simply rotate them to screw them on. So there's that. I wonder if it has a charge or not. Okay, there's a light. So how'd I do that? Just hold it down, the light comes on, and it's not hooked up to the Wi-Fi or anything like that. I'm gonna have to get the app. I'm gonna actually do some reading, I think, on the instructions. Usually I can just figure stuff out myself, but to expedite the process here, basically this thing is just gonna hook up to my camera on my phone. I mean, to my phone screen. The camera on here is going to feed a live stream, and I can be able to see what's in my ear to get it out of there. So, pretty excited. I'm going to go charge this thing up. I'm going to try to get the app going, figure out how to do that. Hopefully, do a little demo on that as well. And then we'll get to the fun part of cleaning out the ears, guys. Okay, we got a green indicator light showing that it is fully charged. So we're gonna download the app and see how this thing works. All right, we're gonna open QR and barcode scanner and just scan. Wow, that was super fast. So we'll just click open browser. Android, Google Play, and install the app. Okay, we're going to install it. We're going to download the Suir app, and we're going to use a QR and barcode scanner. So click on that. Okay. Click on that and find our barcode right there. It's going to give us that. We're going to open the browser. Android, Google Play. It's going to bring us to the Suir app. I'm going to click that. So we downloaded it. Where is it? Okay, once it's downloaded, it's going to be right there. We're going to hold down our button on the ear piece for 2 seconds. 1,000, 2,000. Okay, and the little 3-line Wi-Fi button is going to start flashing. So we're going to click Go to Connect. And it guides you, please find WLAN from your phone settings, click Wi-Fi ID to that. So here, go to Wi-Fi settings. There's Suir XB X8, that one. So we're going to connect. Checking the quality of your internet connection. Connected. Okay, if you stay connected with this Wi-Fi network, your phone will also stay connected whenever you use this network in the future. All right, we're going to keep the... It says connected without internet. Okay. So I'm going to return to the app interface. Says it's connected, just like that, and let's okay, there it is right there. All right, so I click right ear and kind of see in the ear there. Wow, that's pretty creepy. And I don't really see a lot of earwax in there. So we can click left ear and try that as well. Lots of hair in there. I didn't know my ear was so hairy. There's some earwax right there. Ah. So that's pretty cool. It takes a little while to get used to, like, how it's moving around and stuff. And you can look inside the ear there. Ooh. Just a different angles. That's pretty neat. Okay, I don't really see a lot of buildup there that I need to worry about. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, it looks like it's usually just go, you don't want to go too deep, obviously, with the something like that, but the silicone edge is kind of nice and soft. And I got a hair out of there. So that is pretty neat. So let's see if we click here, and then you can get you could take a photo if you want, Switch from horizontal to dynamic. And it has different aspects there, but pretty good little camera on there actually to see inside the ear. And you could flip your phone, lock the screen, different things like that. So pretty handy little device, guys, especially if you want to look inside your ear to see what you're getting out of there. Okay, guys, so final thoughts on the earwax remover. Seems to be a handy little tool. Sometimes you get stuff in your ear and it's just hard to get it out of there with a Q-tip, and you wind up kind of pushing it back in there, and it's not a lot of fun. So something like this, you can actually see what you're doing and get at the earwax or the obstruction in there. So this is the silicone's nice and soft, and it's firm enough, the tip there, so it's not going to damage your ear. Always be careful when putting things in your ear, but you can see where you're at, and you can even see like the earwax and stuff like that. So handy little tool for hygiene there of your ears and keeping everything nice and clean. I really like the box that it came in. Put it in your bathroom and just your bathroom drawer, and it just keeps everything really nice and neat. The app was super easy to set up. Everything worked. I think I tried to do something and it stopped working. I just reset the app and redid the thing, and it worked just fine. So looks like the battery lasts probably about a half hour of runtime on it. Has a battery indicator on the app. Yeah, just a nice little tool, a nice addition to your bathroom for proper taking care of your ears and stuff like that. So I'll link this in the description below, guys. Right now they have a coupon. It looks like it's 15 bucks off. So normally $32.99, knock the 15 off. So not a bad deal. That's it for this review, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.